Hello everyone. Consider yourself living the best life in this 5-bedroom penthouse duplex for sale, built on 800 square meter. So the property is located at Ajah, compound space for like 4 to 7 cars, swimming pool, bush bar, and is built on 800 square meter. So you can see the stamped concrete floor, the pillar. You can see how high the house is, a white house. You have the security house, the gen house. You have the green grass beautification here. You also have two pillars here. And you have this space where you can play table tennis with family and friends. Then you have the swimming pool, the water fountain here, the green grass relaxation area. Hello, son, what's up? So you can see you can sit out here. You have a sit out here. Then here takes you to the bush bar. You can also call it an outdoor lounge. An outdoor lounge or a bush bar, and you have a pool view from here. So you have the two-room BQ, and here's the kitchen. Two-room BQ, the kitchen is here. We have a big laundry room here. So welcome to this lovely home. You have a sit out here, the ante room here, storage toilet, the living area, spotlight, POP ceiling, chandelier, and you have the dining area here. So you have the fully fitted kitchen. You also have the pantry here, and also an entrance door here that takes you to the guest room and the living area. You also have a solar inverter under the staircase here, and you still have this space to play with here. And you have a door also that takes you behind the house. You have the guest room here downstairs. You have another room here. The closet, the walk-in shower, balcony. You have a balcony here. So you have a link door that takes you from this room to the other room. But that's the main door there. So I just showed you 3 rooms now. So here you have another family lounge. You have another room here. So from the first floor, you can go to the bush bar and you have a pool view from the first floor. So either you go from the ground floor at the back of the house or from the first floor. So you can see your view from here. So you have another lounge here, family lounge. So we're going to the last floor. So you have the DVR for your CCTV camera. You have another lounge here. You have a balcony at the back. So we're on the paint floor. So we have this room here. The bathtub and all. So like I said, it's a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex built on 800 square meter. You can see you have the swimming pool, very special swimming pool. You have the bush bar, the penthouse, compound space for like close to 6 to 7 cars and lots more. If you're interested, contact Dandy Dcirealtor, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. For more pictures, check out WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and God bless you.